In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wispr Flow in Windows. By the end, you'll be dictating text anywhere on your PC and using built-in AI to polish it in seconds. First, get the app installed and launched. Download the Windows version of Wispr Flow from the official website, run the installer, then open the app and sign in. Once it's running, you'll notice it lives in the system tray at the bottom right of your screen. That's where you'll access it most of the time, so if you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to expand your tray and look for the Wispr Flow icon. Before you start speaking, take a moment to set things up. Click the tray icon, open settings, and confirm three key items. Make sure the correct microphone is selected, especially if you use a headset or an external mic. Choose the right language for dictation so the model understands you clearly. Then set a shortcut key you'll use to start and stop recording. Pick something easy to reach that doesn't conflict with common app shortcuts. A quick test here can save time later, so confirm your mic is active and the shortcut responds the way you expect. Now you're ready to dictate. The most common way is the shortcut toggle. Open any app where you can type. Notepad, your browser, email, or a chat window. Place your cursor in a text field and press your assigned shortcut. Start speaking at a natural pace and try to minimize background noise. When you're done, press the shortcut again to stop. Your speech turns into clean text instantly right where your cursor was. If you prefer a push-to-talk style, just hold the shortcut while you speak and release to stop. This method is great for quick notes or short replies because you control exactly when recording is active. The best part is that Wispr Flow works almost anywhere you can type. Use it in chat apps like Messenger or Discord, in email clients such as Gmail or Outlook, in documents like Word or Google Docs, and across your web browser. If a text box accepts typing, you can dictate into it. After you've dictated, take advantage of the smart AI editing. You can say things like, make this more professional, fix grammar, shorten this, or turn this into bullet points, and Wispr Flow will revise your text automatically. It's a simple way to refine tone, correct mistakes, or condense content without manual editing. That's it. Install and launch, set your mic, language, and shortcut, start dictating anywhere, and use AI editing to polish your words.